Welcome to this moment, love. I'm going to show you really quickly where to access the Freedom Seeker Decree, as well as a training that will help you fill it out. Because sometimes whenever you just come straight to the Freedom Seeker Decree, like let's scroll down. I'm on mobile right now, so if you're on desktop, you'll see these green sections side by side with the content. But I'm just going to close the Start Here section just by tapping on Start Here green section, and then I'm going to come down to the Freedom Lifestyle Starter Kit and tap that so it can open up and expand. Now, from here, you'll see that the second thing, it says Freedom Seeker Decree. Go ahead and tap on that. And then from here, you'll be able to, if you're on desktop, it'll be side by side. But since we're on mobile, just scroll down and you'll see this. Now, this is the form that you fill out that will crank out the statement, your Freedom Decree statement, custom made for you. This is where to find it. It's just, again, in the Freedom Lifestyle Starter Kit section. So go ahead, just to get the muscle memory in, come to it, follow along with me. And then as far as a training, so there's a training that will help with filling out the Freedom Seeker Decree. And that one is found in this green section that says Live Create Along Freedom Lifestyle Events. So tap that and scroll down a little bit. Okay, so here you want to tap on step 3, Create Along a monthly live event replays. So when you tap on that, it becomes active. On mobile, just scroll down and you're going to look for the replay for the month of July. So this is about an hour and a half workshop that we did that walks through every single step from visualizing your vision, becoming familiar with it within your mind, and then translating it, putting it down into the Freedom Seeker Decree, filling out the form with you. So I highly encourage you to, grab your quick materials, a pen, some paper, maybe some earbuds, that's optional, and open this up on your laptop side by side with your Freedom Seeker Decree. So it gives you a link straight to the decree as well. So what I encourage you to do is have this up on your laptop in one tab, watch it, and since it's a bigger screen, and in a separate tab or window, one opening this Freedom Seeker Decree statement generator. So you can tap it to open. And so one window will show this. And then what I want you to do is just press play, watch along. You can also skip around, say if you already, you've had a moment to awesome to visualize your vision. You can skip around as well, but what I really want you to focus on is completing your Freedom Seeker Decree. And this is a workshop that will help you do it. So take some time this week, complete your Freedom Seeker Decree. It doesn't have to be today, but if it is today, then awesome. You get an extra half a point on your daily thrive. But just take some time this week to complete your Freedom Seeker Decree and move from there. This is something that's going to help you fill it out. It will help you understand how to answer the questions in the Freedom Seeker Decree statement generator, and it will help you with editing it and just everything. Every question that you may have is likely answered in this one video. So that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@ufuluchild.com, or you can always scroll to the top of your members area, tap this support button, and it will take you to the help desk so that you can see if the question's already been answered or submit your question. If you have trouble figuring out how to submit a help request, you can always come to this quick start step-by-step tutorial for the support help desk as well. Sending unconditional love always and all ways.